Hi my dear students, how are you all? I am Sandhya from Bharatidasa Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 3rd standard maths. Third lesson part 2. So what is the third lesson name, my dears? Yeah, very good. Our third lesson name is multiplication. What does mean by multiplication? Multiplication means that is repeated addition. What does mean by multiplication? Multiplication means that is repeated addition. Repeated addition, R-E-P-A-T-E-D, repeated addition, A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. So multiplication means that is a repeated addition. Today we are going to see the part 2. Today we are going to see the part 2. So the lesson name is multiplication. So our first topic is multiply to the fill in the blanks. Multiply to the fill in the blanks. Here we have multiplication symbol, then we have some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now you take and multiply this one. So first you should take 1 and multiply by 1. 1 and multiply by 1. Okay, so 1 ones are, what is the answer? That is 1 times of 1. So the answer is 1. Next you will take 2 ones are. So what is the answer? 2 ones are? 2 ones are 2. Next you will take 3 ones are. So 3 ones are, that is 3 times of 1. That is 3 times of 1. Then tell me, Nasreen, what is 4 ones are? Yeah, very good, my dear. The 4 ones are, the answer is 4. Why? Because that is 4 times of 1. So write the answer 4. Just you will do this. So what is 5 ones are, 6 ones are and 7 ones are. Next you will take 2 table. Okay, so here we have 1. So what is 1 twos are? That is 1 time of 2. 1 twos are 2. Next we will take 2 twos are. We will take 2 twos are. So 2 times of 2. What is the answer? The answer is 4. What is the answer? The answer is 4. Then tell me, Nikita, what is the answer? 3 twos are. Yeah, that is 3 times of 2. So the answer is 6. What is the answer? The answer is 6. 3 twos are 6. Next one, 4 twos are. So 4 twos are 4 times of 2. So the answer 8. The next one is 5 twos are, the answer is 10. Remaining you have 2 rows, just you will do. Okay. The next number is take 4th column. Okay. 4 and then 1. What is the answer? 1 fours are? 1 fours are 4. 1 fours are 4. Next you will take in this 3 column you should do. Okay. So everyone know the 3 table? No. Just do the work. Okay. The next one is take 2 fours are. That is 2 times of 4. 4 plus 4. 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Next you will take 3 fours are. So what is the answer? 3 times of 4. So the answer is 12. Right? 12. Okay. So next one is take 4 fours are. So 4 fours are, what is the answer? The answer is 16. So next you will do this. Okay, so next you will take 5 fours are and 6 fours are, already they are given the answer, and then 7 fours are. Next you will do this 2 column. Okay, 5 and 6. Now I am going to explain 7. So now we will take 1 sevens are. Take 1 multiply by 7. What is the answer? That is 1 time of 7. So the answer is 7. So 1 sevens are 7. Next you will take 2 sevens are. So 2 sevens are means, already you know multiplication means that is a repeated addition. So that is 2 times of 7. So keep 7 in the mind, 7 in the finger. So 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14. What is the answer? 14. Next you will take 3 sevens are. That is 3 times of 7 or 7 times of 3. 3 times of 7 or 7 times of 3. So the answer is 21. Okay, what is the answer? The answer is 21. Next you will take 4 sevens are. 4 sevens are 28. That is 4 times of 7 or 7 times of 4. So the answer is 28. So remaining you have 3 rows. So 3 columns just you will do. Remaining we have 8 and 9 table. So my dear students, you will do 8 table. Now I am going to explain 9 table. Now you take 9 and then 1. So 1 nines are, what is the answer? 1 nines are 9. That is 1 time of 9. The next one is 2 times of 9. So the answer is 18. Already they are given. 2 nines are or 2 times of 9. Next you will take 3 nines are. So what is the answer? 3 nines are 3 times of 9 or 9 times of 3. So 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. So 9 table is very easy. Okay. Next you will take 4 nines are. 4 nines are 4 times of 9 or 9 times of 4. So the answer is 36. Next you will take 5 nines are. So what is the answer? 5 nines are? 5 nines are 45. The next one is 6 nines are. So already they are given the answer. 6 nines are is 54. So the answer is 54. So already you know 6 times of 9 or 9 times of 6. The next one is 7 nines are. 7 nines are, what is the answer, Nasreen? Yeah, very good my dear. 7 nines are 63. So my dear students, you should do this remaining columns. Okay. So our next topic is using the multiplication tables of 7, 8, 9. Using the multiplication tables of 7, 8, 9. So the first question is 5 sevens are. The first question is 5 sevens are. That is 5 times of 7. That is 5 times of 7. So take 5 times of 7 or 7 times of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 times of 7 or take 7 times of 5. 1, 2, 3. So the next one is 5, 4, 5. The next one is 5 plus 5. So totally how many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So the question is 5 sevens are. So what is the answer? 5 sevens are. That is 5 times of 7 or 7 times of 5. So the answer is 35. What is the answer? 35. Next we will take 8 nines are. So this is 8 times of 9 or 9 times of 8. So what is the answer? 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. Next you will take 7 eights are. 7 times of 8 or 8 times of 7. 7 times of 8 or 8 times of 7. So listen my children, multiplication means that is a repeated addition. So take a 7 times 8 or 8 times 7. You should add means you are getting the answer is 56. What is the answer? 56. 7 eights are 56. Next I will take 10 nines are. 10 times of 9 or 9 times of 10. So the answer is 90. What is the answer? The answer is 90. So do this process and do all the multiplication sums. Okay. So our next topic is find the product. So what is mean by product? So already you know the product is when 2 or 3 numbers are multiplied, the answer is called the product. When 2 or 3 numbers are multiplied, the answer is called the product. So here we have some numbers. 24 is multiplied by 7 and then 63 is multiplied by 9. First, while you are doing the multiplication, first you should write the place values. Here we have only 2 numbers. So write ones and then tens. Okay, write ones and then tens. Ones and then tens. Okay, so tell me Nasreen, what is the ones place value here? The ones place value is 4, the 10th place value is 2. So take 4 and then 2 multiply by 7. 4, 2 multiply by 7. Now you take 7 and multiply by 4. Then you take 7 and multiply by 2. So, first you will take 7 and multiply by 1's place value, then you will take 7 and multiply by 10's place value. So, what is the answer? 7 4's are. So, you should start the table 7 zeros are onwards. 7 zeros are 0, 7 1's are 7, 7 2's are 14, 7 3's are 21. So, the answer 7 4's are is 28. That is 7 times of 4 or 4 times of 7. What is the answer? 28. So, this is 1's place value and this is 10's place value. In that 10's place value, you should write a carry place. Okay. The 10th place value is 2. So, write here. And then and that 1's place value is the 8. Write down. Next, you will take a 7 and multiply by 2. So, what is the answer, Nandita? 7 2's are? Yeah, very good, my dear. 7 2's are 14. So, keep 14 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So, 14 after 15, 16. So, the answer is 16. What is the answer? 16. So, finally take and write the answer 168. 168. Next, we have another example. 63 is multiplied by 9. So, what is our first step? First, we are going to write the place values. Here, we have 2-digit number 63. So, first we are going to write the place value ones. Okay, ones and tens. Here, the ones place value is 3. The 10th place value is 6. So, write the ones place value is 3. The 10th place value is 6 and multiply by 9. Multiply by 9. Now, you take a 9 and multiply by 3. 9 and multiply by 3. So, what is the answer? So, you should start the table 9 zeros are. 9 zeros are 0, 9 1's are 9, 9 2's are 18, 9 3's are 27. That is 3 times of 9 or 9 times of 3. 9 3's are 27. So, we got 2-digit number, right? So, what is the answer? The answer is 27. So, this is 1's place value and this is 10's place value. So, you should written the 10th place value in carry. Okay. What is the 10th place value? That is 2. And the 1 place value is 7. So, write down. Next, you will take 9 6's are. So, 9 zeros are 0, 9 1's are 9, 9 2's are 18, 9 3's are 27, 9 4's are 36, 9 5's are 45, 9 6's are 54. 9 6's are 54. So, take 54 in the mind. So, write here 9 6's are. What is the answer? 9 6's are 54. So, 54 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So, 54 after 55, 56. So, the answer is 567. What is the answer? The answer is 567. 567. So, listen my children, while you writing the tables, first you should write the 9 zeros or 8 zeros. So, start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be goes on. Okay. So, the final answer is 567. So, next we have another example. 47 is multiplied by 8 and the next one is 18 is multiplied by 9. 47 is multiplied by 8 and 18 is multiplied by 9. Now, we are going to multiply this. First, you should write the place values. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. So, write ones and the second place value is tens. Okay. Now, you write here this is ones place value and this is tens place value. So, tell me Nasreen, what is the ones place value here? Yeah, very good my dear. Here the ones place value is 7 and the 10th place value is 4. Next, you will take multiply by 8. Multiply by 8. So, now you listen, take 8 multiply by 7. So, start the table 8 zeros are onwards. What is the answer? 8 zeros are 8 zeros are 0. The next one is 8 ones are. 8 ones are, that is 8 times of 1. The next one is 8 twos are. So, what is the answer? 8 twos are 8 times of 2 or 2 times of 8. The answer is 16. 8 twos are 16. The next one is 8 threes are. 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. So here we have 8 sevens are. So you should write the table up to 8 sevens are. The next one is 8 fours are. So write 8 fours are 32. The next number is 8 fives are. So 4 after 5. 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. The next number is 8 six are. What is the answer? 8 six are 48. So write here 8 six are 48. The next one is 8 sevens are. So 8 sevens are means that is 8 times of 7 or 7 times of 8. So the answer is 56. So write 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. Here the ones place value is 7. So take 8 sevens are, that is 8 times of 7 or 7 times of 8. So 8 sevens are, what is the answer? 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. So write 6 in answer ones place. Okay, wow. And then take 5. It should be written carry over to the tens place. So write 5 here. Next we will take 8 fours are. So what is the answer? 8 fours are. 8 fours are 32. So already we have 5 is there. So 32 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 32 after 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So the answer is 376. What is the answer? 376. Write the answer 376. Next you will take final example of multiplication. Find the product. So take 18 multiply by 9. First you should write the place values. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. So write ones and tens. So here the ones place value is 8 and the tenth place value is 1. So write 8 and then 1 and multiply by 9. This is 9 table. So start 9 zeros or onwards. 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So it means 9 times of 3 or 3 times of 9. Okay, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72. 9 eights are 72. So write the answer 9 eights are 72. Okay, so here we have two groups of number, that is ones place and tens place. Now we will write ones place down and then tenth place it will be in the carryover. Okay, so write 7. Take 9 ones are. So what is the answer? 9 ones are 9. 9 in the mind, 7 in the finger. So 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. So write the final answer. The final answer is 162. What is the final answer? 162. So our next final topic is multiplication of a 3-digit number by a single digit number, that is 1-digit number. The topic is without a regrouping. So already you know what is without regrouping. When we are doing the multiplication sum, if the sum does not have the carry, when we are doing the multiplication sum, if the sum does not have the carry, that is called without a regrouping. That is called without regrouping. Now we are going to do the multiplication problem. Listen. So take 403 is multiplied by 2. Here we have 3-digit number, that is ones, tens, hundred. First you will write the place value. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones, the second place value is tens, the third place value is hundreds. So write the place values ones, tens and finally 100. Ones, tens, 100. Here the ones place value is 3, the tenth place value is 0 and the 100 place value is 4. So ones, tens, hundreds. So now you take and write the number. The ones place value 3, the tenth place value is 0 and the 100 place value is 4. Okay, now you multiply by 2. Take 2 and multiply by ones place value, tenth place value and 100 place value. So take 2 and multiply by ones place value. What is the ones place value? Here the ones place value is 3. So 2 times of 3, that is 2 3s are. So the answer is 6. The next one is 2 zeros are 0. The final one is 2 4s are 8. So finally you should write the answer 806. You should write the answer 806. So here too you will write the place value. Here too you should write the place value. So tell me Nisha, what is the first place value? Yeah, very good my dear. The first place value is ones, the second place value is tens, and the third place value is 100. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here the ones place value is 1, 10 place value is 2, and finally 100 place value is 3, and take and multiply by 3. Now you take a 3 and multiply by all the number. 3 ones are, what is the answer? That is 3 times of 1. So 3. The next one is 3 twos are. The next one is 3 threes are. 3 twos are, what is the answer? Answer is 6. 3 threes are 9. So take and write the answer 963. What is the answer? 963. So listen my children, so you know what is multiplication. Multiplication means that is a repeated addition. Now take the multiplicand and multiplier. Okay, so then you should multiply. So here the first digit number and then multiply by ones place, tens place, 100 place. Okay. So next example is 705 is multiplied by 1. So here we have very simple table. What is the table? That is one table. Okay. So take 705 and multiply by 1. So first you will write the place values. Okay. The first place value is ones. The second place value is tens. The third place value is hundreds. So now here the ones place value 5. The 10th place value is 0 and the 100 place value is 7. Multiply by 1. So listen, whatever number you should multiply by 1, you are getting the same answer. So 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6, 7 ones are 7, 0 ones are 0. So likewise take 1 5s are. So that is 1 time of 5. 5 ones are 5 or 1 5s are 5. 1 zeros are. The answer is 0. The next one is 1 7s are. So the answer is 7. So 705 ones are 705. So write the answer 705. 705. So next we will take 211 and multiply by 4. So my dear students, you know the first step, right? What is the first step? Tell me Nikita. The first step is write the place values. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones and the second place value is tens. The third place value is hundreds. Here the ones place value is 1, the 10th place value is 1 and the 100 place value is 2. The multiplier is 4. Now you take 4 and multiply by all the numbers. 4 and multiply by all the numbers. So take 4 ones are, next 4 ones are, next 4 twos are. So what is the answer? 4 ones are, that is 4 times of 1. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. So write the answer 4. The next one is 4 ones are 4. The next one is 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. So write the answer 844. 844. So what is the topic name? 3 digit number multiply by 1 digit number. 3 digit number multiply by 1 digit number. So listen my children, in this section you have learned multiplications, right? So 2 digit number multiply by single digit number, then using the tables, then we cross out the tables and using the tables, and finally 3 digit number multiply by single digit number. So my dear students, in day to day life we are using multiplication. For example, if you are going to the marketplaces, the cost of 1 kilogram of potato is 30 rupees. What is the cost of 4 kilogram of potato? So in that place you should do the multiplication. 30 is multiplied by 4. So what is the answer? The answer is 120. So multiplication is very important. So then what is multiplication? Multiplication means that is a repeated addition. I hope everyone enjoyed this section. In this below description, we have attached study material, question bank and assessment work. So my dear students, do the assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.
Nalini Amurtha's father, PKG-லேருந்து 8th standard படிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ அது 5:30 to 6:30 வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ரன்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு பாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூல் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு மத்தியானம் மேலே மதர் தெரேசா அகாடமிலையும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. மெட்ராஸ் MEMலும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. நேஷனல் லெவலில் வந்து கோல்டு அடிச்சிருக்காங்க.
நான் மறக்காம மாதாசிரியர் 6 வருஷமாக டேபிள் டென்னிஸ் கோச்சாக இருக்கேன். நிறைய ஸ்டடீஸ்லையும் சரி ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்லையும் சரி